Waiting be this. Waiting be this. Jesus.
Wait, you dey tell me to say for the past 8 months you never.
Which one be say like guy? You don't like you don't pass 8 months.
Never.
That one say if they go far, I never do anything.
You never.
They say they demonstrate. They tell you something. They say demonstrate. I never even see the thing safe.
What's going happen now? You don't get girlfriend.
No, because I don't get girlfriend. I get fiancé now. I get fiancé, but
you get fiancé, so what's not make you come there?
You know, say that my fiancé now from Christian home. They say we no do anything till marriage. At the ways now, next 2 months we don't marry now. Now I go fit do something.
You be fool. You be fool. How you gonna tell me say your girlfriend tell you say you no go? She be virgin.
Hey, nah, I'm virgin now.
Even though say she be virgin, you know if you go. See, let me tell you. Even when you have one TV, you don't watch one station. You go check another channel to know how they be. How you tell me say because your girlfriend say until marriage, you know, can't shake body.
I mean, I no be that kind of person. No one cheat.
Guy, you don't know say if you know discharge for like 8 months, say if you get problem for your waist. You don't know say continue key. What the key Moses for Bible? You don't know. Moses see promise line no enter am.
Continue.
Now heart attack, now kill am.
Will you keep quiet?
You dey see us for TV, they see am for Facebook, you dey see am for other platforms, and you know they touch. Heart attack fit kill you. Now why under 40 they get high blood pressure?
Oh, mommy, I know one. I see.
Where my phone? No worry. Make I call one nice babe for you.
No, I see. I know one cheat.
Oga, you are not cheating. Now who marry now they cheat, not be who they in a relationship. When you are in a relationship, you go check 1 or 2 to know the best option. No worry.
Pardon.
How my guy go there 8 months, you know now. I go call there for you. They go,
my guy.
I go call Annabelle for you.
My
Annabelle
guy.
Overload.
Oh yeah.
Wait, my call. Hello, Annabelle. How are you? Oh, you are in Abuja? Okay, no problem. Yeah, no problem. I'll call you back. Annabelle, the Abuja. No worry.
Yeah.
Make I come. Kechi wire.
You got another one, Kechi?
Kechi wire. You see, Anyash.
She package a bit.
Kechi good now. If you Kechi handle you,
Yes.
I don't condemn.
Every package.
Yeah. Hello, Kechi. How you doing now? Yeah, everywhere good. If you come my side, yeah, based on 1 or 2, I want me to take care of my guy. Try be 100K now. What's the word? Why you call 100K for me?
Too much.
I'll give you 50K. You know one come. 50K last. No forget that. They talk rubbish now. They charge me 50K. Now bride price I want pay.
True.
That's why I want help.
You know price 70.
No need for down. I will call. Man, I comfortable for you.
What? Which one portable?
One smally like that. No worry, you go take.
Chelo Bizazu.
No, for you. Papa. Portable. How are you now? Fine girl. Smally. Can you come to my house? I want you to, you know, now the be. Thank you. You feel come with 3 of your friends? 4 of your friends. No worry, thank you, not be problem. Come with 4 of your. Okay, you don't have friends. Your friends are around. I'll be coming. Just come. Don't worry about transport and feeding. I will take care of you.
Yes.
We will give you the 10K. Still give you transport and feeding. Just be coming. I will send you my house address now.
Should you get fine though?
I don't feel they will get when no fine now. You know how many girls I do? My guy. How you how for you?
My G.
Everywhere good.
You get plenty.
You go me. Me a commissioner of women affairs.
You be shop log.
Now what they do now? She don't go. No worry, she go. Papa. Portable. How are you? Oh, guy.
Everywhere
she go take care of you. Come and sit down. Hey, sit down.
Sit down, okay. Don't worry, let's go inside. Sit down.
Based on that. Based on.
My guy.
Arabako.
My guy.
Enjoy. Hello? Nkechi wire. I don't understand you. They want me call you, say, come take care of my guy. They tell me 100K. For what now? Now marriage. Not be for you to just overnight, you go your house. No, now you fuck up now. I no get anything where they proof. In fact, that 50K, I not even get them again, sef. You know, deal. Now 30K, deal. If you want come, 30K.
Jesus. Wetin be this? Wetin be this?
Oh.
It's okay. Let's go inside.
Oh boy, my guy. Precious. Precious. What are you doing here?
Who be Precious?
Now Precious be this now. My fiance who I tell you about now and say 2 months we go marry.
Now this girl you talk say she no allow you now for 8 months.
Yes now.
Guy!
Wait.
Now you be
Guy. No joke.
No joke, no joke. Me and you dey joke. This girl na machine gun.
Jesus.
If this girl handle, you know tell us say they handle 5 guys once.
Hey!
Now for you.
Next
What you say you dey
spam.
start my guy and at the market where you dey sell? Why you dey do like this now?
Next level spam
You
more.
dey do like Nigeria wey be say we get crude oil and we dey carry outside go refine now. Why you dey do like this?
When next level spam.
You dey save spam for
When
this
next
one.
level spam for 8 months umazi na atanwam. Umazi na atanwam atanya trauma drama. Na na atanwam. So today they call Nkechi wire.
Do you know why this girl be like this, eh? I don't feel like if you put your head, you go enter.
Na atagonwa atalawam ya atalawam ya atagonwam ya finished. I'm finished. Hey, all my investments